Hi, I'm Smitha Kutaya, and like my name suggests, I'm from Coorg, and this is the cuisine that I love to cook. I have put my hand into a lot of other things, and I strive in being active, in doing many things. And since I've been fortunate enough with a lot of exposure, I have again been fortunate enough to do a lot of things. When I started my after school, the tuck shop was just more like an outlet for me to keep whatever I made in the house. And then I had so many of my students and their parents who would come and pick up things that a few of them kept insisting, even after I closed the play school, they kept insisting that I make things for them. And then, it became order-based. And slowly it transitioned from there to being a bigger baking venture. And then with my name and with how obvious it is that I'm from Coorg, requests for the pandi curry and the kadambuttu became very common. And then I started making it into a complete home cooking and home baking. Both of them became part of what I did. So that's how Global Theeni evolved. Okay, to start with, the word authentic doesn't hold much weight with me because for me, anything that a person calls as authentic is authentic for him or for her. So having said that, I try to do what my conscience says is the right thing to do. So that would be my definition of authenticity, which makes it very easy for me to incorporate my knowledge of what I do into what my customers want me to do. I completely enjoyed myself. I love being with children. I love interacting with children. And this was a very lively bunch. And they had a lot of things they wanted to ask. And I love to share whatever I know. And it was very funny for me because I saw the entire process. And after that, I saw the enthusiasm for taking photographs. So this is a new culture for me. I'm still getting used to it. Although I've grown with it, I'm still getting used to it. But the experience was lovely. I really enjoyed myself. I think I have to say a big thanks to Harsha ji for having brought me on board here. And it was very nice. Mr. Prabhu has been very kind to accommodate me. And I'm very grateful to the university for having had me and having given me this experience. I'll cherish it.